We'll start with Eugene. Eugene, at the beginning of class, you were asking us about if we've participated in marathons. So, you said you guys have participated in a marathon as a question, which you should change the order around. Like, have you guys ever participated in a marathon like this? It would work much better in that case. You can use that as a question if you raise your intonation at the end, but at first it was hard for me to hear, is this a question? Have you participated in a marathon? So just be clear when you're asking a question. For pronunciation, I heard a few times brands you pronounced as like bronze, so just make sure you get the A sound, the sharp A, and also pronunciation for watched. Many English learners want to say like watched with ED sounds, but always make the ED sound as a T for the past tense. So instead of watched, just a watched. Watched is a T sound. You mentioned I didn't work in art. Recently, I didn't work in art. For this, say recently I haven't been working in art. The present continuous. I haven't been involved in art. I haven't been working in art. Just meaning these days I haven't had a chance to do that. David, just maybe be careful with dropping prepositions like to, and also some verbs like are and will. For example, I am satisfied my job. Be sure to put the with in there. I'm satisfied with my job. Right, those kind of things. Negotiate my customers. Negotiate with my customers. Be sure not to drop the wills and ares, and especially tos, prepositions. Yeah, that was mostly what I caught. And also be careful with past tense. Like when you were talking about your high school bell, just be sure to talk about that in the past tense. My high school had a bell. That kind of thing. So, right. That was all I caught. Just being careful with adding your verbs and speaking in the past tense. Changing your verbs to the past tense.